Hey everybody, as always, I hope you're doing well out there. Today I'm going to be doing a quick video to walk you through how to use the Last Sport widget on your Garmin Instinct watch. Now I'm using the Garmin Instinct Solar. It doesn't matter if you've got one of the solar versions or non-solar versions. This widget's available and will work the same on all of them. So what exactly is the Last Sport widget? Let's say you've done some activities and you want to go look at them. It's pretty easy to do it. I'll say this widget I don't find to be very beneficial, but I'm just showing you that it's out there and how that works. If I want to go look at my most recent activities, all I have to do from the main watch face is press and hold the menu button, go down to history, press GPS to select history, and then select activities. And you can see here's all of my most recent activities, starting with the most recent, going to the most earliest. On any one of these, let's look, for example, this one is 1.3 miles. It was yesterday at 6:58. I can press GPS on any one of them and I can get into different things like the details, the number of laps, the map of the activity, my time and heart rate zone, elevation plot, or I can delete the activity. So that wasn't too bad. We went, 3 keystrokes to get there? We went menu, history, activities. What the Last Sport widget does is it basically gives you a quick connect to your last activity. I'll show you how to do that. As with any activity, or I'm sorry, any widget, we need to go download the widget. So we're going to go to Settings, Widgets, Add Widget, and the one that you're looking for is called the Last Sport. Icon looks like a guy with his arms out. We'll press GPS to select it. I kind of wish they would have called it Last Activity versus Last Sport. I don't really think of the Garmin as tracking sports. I think of it as tracking more so exercises or activities. Now that we've got the widget installed, instead of going like we just did to go look at my most recent activities, we can just go straight to the widget and it takes us directly into our last activity. Same thing we saw before. It was a walking activity, 1.3 miles, the pace, the time. I can also press the GPS button while I'm in the activity and I can get to the same screen we saw earlier, all of my activities. I can go to any one of these, can press the GPS, and I can see the same thing as before. Details, the number of laps, the map, assuming you had the GPS on, my time and heart rate zone, the elevation plot, basically the change of altitude during the activity, or I can delete the activity. Last Sport is a little bit different than some of the other ones because it doesn't care what the activity was. If it was the hunting activity, fishing activity, any of them, it's going to take you directly into your last one. But again, you can press the GPS button to go to any activity regardless of what it was. I hope that makes sense, at least gives you a glimpse of what the Last Sport widget is. As always, if you've got any questions, post them in the comments. Be happy to help you out. Thanks for watching.